Hello everyone, my name is Kadi and today is the 20th of March. I'm currently in this gold trade. Um, so what I saw, I'm bullish on this, I'm in buys. What I saw was price had this huge, long, bearish run. I see a lot of gaps and I saw that price had broken structure. Um, um, yeah, so like price was going like this, like this, like this. And then in this move, I saw that price has broke this structure right here. And now I am looking to take the buy, potentially just to the 1-1, but potentially to the upside. Potentially, I have no idea. So that was a really bad example, but like just basically this move right here, right? This is that moves low. Price has ducked under that low if we're looking at it like this. And so prices tapped into this zone, which is a demand. And so I'm hoping for it to go my way, essentially. I want to win. So yeah, I feel like, price had given us a good rejection from that zone. No candles closed within that zone. So yeah, really what we would like to see is price close below, or let me flip it. If price can close above the 13 EMA, that would be like a really nice thing to see. But I mean, other than that, if it loses, it's $41. So according to my calculations, let me 475. So that would bring us down to maybe approximately like 670, 660 on our account balance, depending on if it doesn't go our way. So yeah, that's not too bad. Let me just subtract 5 again. Yeah, so 665 is most likely the lowest the account balance will be today if this thing loses. So, but that's not that bad to me personally, because yeah, so I'm okay with that. I have to think, today is Thursday, um tomorrow's Friday. We'll trade again tomorrow regardless of what happens. Then we have we have literally 3 more trading days until the end of this month. It's crazy. um this month has been a journey, to say the fucking least. This month has been very sorry, I just washed my face. This month has been very, I would say, educational, very insightful for my psyche. Today, right now, like I was nervous, like I literally was like I literally felt myself as soon as I got into the shade, like shaking, which is just so funny. But yeah, I was shaking, and I don't know, it was like I calculated my risk. At the time, it was a lot smaller than what it is now, but not a lot smaller. So it was like maybe like $5-10 smaller, but it's still okay. Um, right now, I don't feel as nervous as before. I can say that. I feel good. I feel okay. It's nice knowing now that this trade does not matter in the long run, because there's going to be multiple trades to come after. So if this trade becomes a loser, like, it is okay. I think the only thing now I have to decide is, will I stop trading after this? Because we know how that goes with me. Um, yeah, I think I'll stop trading after this, because this is 660. Oh, it's so hard to say because the day literally has just started. Like, yeah, this look like this might be a L. Is this the thing about me? Oh my god. Why do I want to get into that trade so badly? I really do. Oh, this is so bad. No, no, no. Control yourself. Candice, control yourself. It just looks so much better than the trade that I did. Bro, look at this. Look at this. And then look at this. Why you go like this? Like, I wanna go like this. Why you go like this? Ah, fuck. Damn it. How are my emotions? My emotions, like, I'm jokingly feeling frantic, but I am feeling frantic because it's like, oh my god, I'm about to lose. Like I knew I could lose, but I didn't know y'all was gonna do it to me. Like, damn, you know. That's kind of how I feel. Like, I feel better than other days when it comes to, you know, potentially getting stopped out. My heart, I mean, it's beating. Thank God I'm alive. But it's not like, you know, and that's what makes me so happy because it shows me that I'm getting better. You know, like I told you, like I was shaking like this morning when I got into the trade on my phone because I was toilet trading. I was scared. I was nervous. But yeah, I don't know. Wait, no, but like, you know what? I should like, I was like, I should start another channel. Like, I don't know. I'm like, I got the music channel, the trading channel. Like, I really want to make like, I don't know, like funny content online, if that makes sense. Well, I mean, like, what the fuck? But just like more so specifically, strategically, like making like just having funny videos, I guess, or like just fun videos. And you know, I see a lot of people, you know, are streamers now. I don't know if I would do the streaming, but we'll see, depending. I mean, I am by myself like majority of the time, and I also am on my computer majority of the time, and I also do have a webcam majority of the time, maybe. But I have already 2 channels. I don't know if a third one would be it, but it's like I don't know how to, like, these are different niches, you know, the trading and music. Like, on my music channel I just do type beats and, you know, just like beat breakdowns and just, you know, me making beats and stuff like that. This one is obviously trading. And then, you know, there's another side to me that's just in general, just somebody who loves to laugh and loves to make other people laugh. So, you know, I want to fill that, I don't want to say void, like, but like, yeah, void in me, and just kind of make content that's, I don't know, funny, and yeah, can we close above the 13, please? With a bullish candle, please. We have 8 seconds left. Could this be the candle to give me what I want? This is not what I want. This is something. This is not what I want. And I just gotta say, I do not understand. Something's not right, really wrong. And we gotta get things back to where they belong. We can do it. Bro, it's not even 8 o'clock, and this is how my brain is. Like, I'm not happy until TP get hit. I don't care about what happens in the middle. I mean, psychologically I do, but just like as far as happiness and being content, shit gotta hit TP. I do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Sorry. Damn. Like, it's trying to psychologically do us dirty, bro. Like, you know, but we gotta stand 10 toes down. I have 11 toes, but we gotta stand 10 toes down. Like period. Man, I can't be afraid to be afraid. I am scared. I am nervous. I want to win. I know these things. So what do we, like, if this candle can't, bruh, like, it's, oh my God. Psychology is crazy. Oh my gosh, we were so close to TP. And they want to do like this. And they want to do like this. But we gotta stand strong. What did Miley say? It's always gonna be another mountain. You're always gonna wanna make it move. It's always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose. And about how fast I get there. Like, bro, are you kidding me? Like, yo, I have like 5 different like ways of just being a fucking person, bro. It's like so funny. It's like the serious, like the consensual, like my soul, like my passion, and then it's the what you gonna talk about, and then it's the I'm kind of like nervous, like I don't know, I'm scared, and then it's the I guess that's the same thing. I don't know. It's just so funny. I'm so complex. I'm so oh, crack my neck. Oh my gosh. All right, bro. Price is playing with me. I just want to go to work, man. I just want to... like I just said. This is, you're watching my psychotic, I don't even want to say like break, what do you call it? What do they call it? Mental breakdown? What do they call it when you like, a psychotic, I don't know. A mental breakdown? Mental breakdown? Is that what they call it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, mental breakdown. Watch me have a mental breakdown over this trade. Just for like entertainment purposes only. Come on, Price. What you trying to do for a baddie? What you want to do for a baddie? What you want to do for a baddie? A baddie that gotta go to work. There we go. Period. What? 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 That was crazy. I don't... Okay. Well, y'all saw that in 4K. Well, this is not 4K. This is 1080. Y'all saw that in 1080. I definitely did something weird. I don't know what I did. But you saw I had the order. Well, it was recorded, so you definitely saw it. I don't know. I had the order. I don't even know. But listen. The account now is at the 755. So it's so funny because I do not calculate what my account balance will be if I win. No, absolutely not. Because you just setting yourself up for some rah-rah on that one. So let me go and download this image. All right. Okay. So just a real quick recap, even though I explained it. So when I came up to the charts today, let's go bar replay, because who cares about any of this stuff. When I went back to when I woke up today, this is what I saw. Of course, I do see that it's bearish, so I am thinking, okay, maybe sells. But the thing that really got me for buys is the fact that, okay, we are excuse me, we have like a lot of gaps here, like here, here, and then also down here. Then we also have this demand zone, or sorry, supply zone down here. So I saw the gaps, but the main thing that I saw, which I already mentioned, was that, you know, price made this leg up, and so this is its leg, this is its structure point, and then with this candle, price broke that. And so with that, if you can see, it's kind of like a little demand zone right here. So this was my initial setup. So I was thinking price came here, price taps into this demand zone and right here, and then goes down to this area. So initially thinking that, and I'm gonna uninvert it so we can see that. So my original zone was here. Original zone was here. I had it, you know, set up for this, and then so I was just waiting for a candle break. Never got it, and I think it was the candle after this that made it invalid. Yeah, so this candle made that first zone invalid, so of course I deleted it, and then I'm then marked up this zone right here, which is also high probability, and yeah, with a gap and everything. So price tapped into that, and when I saw this candle, I was like, okay, this candle, we talking, because the first one, as you can see, like the way how I reacted to the zone, it was like, not too bad, but like we would really like to see candles not close within the zone. So when I got a candle like this and it closed, as you can see, it tapped the zone, and then it closed above that zone. So that's where I got it. That's where I got in at breaking the candle, this one. So I was already in the trade actually from here, I think. I don't know. I don't know, but either way, I was in the trade. So yeah, so got there. I was in the bathroom for a little bit, and then this one, I think that's when I came back, or that's when I started this, and then yeah, we sat through all of this, babe. So yeah, I was just consolidating. When I saw the consolidation, of course, you know, I get nervous. I'm like, but now with a little bit more knowledge, you know, I felt a little bit good about this, because I was like, okay, if it's consolidating, that means that they're building orders. So, you know, we sat through almost an hour of, let's see, so I got in here, I said almost an hour. So I got in here, we sat through 30 minutes of consolidation, and then that's when price decides to break out, close above the 13 EMA with this move, and that's exactly what we wanted. Somebody, if they like breakouts, they could have taken, I'm not entirely sure which one it would be, if it would be this one that closes a little bit below or above, or this one. Personally, I mean, I would like this one, looks like the better candle to take that breakout in. But yeah, we sat through all of this. This trade took an hour, literally an hour. So yeah, so price hit that. I messed up at the end, so I have less money now. That's fucked up, but either way, it's cool. I am definitely done for the day, but I will be forward testing later in the day, just seeing, you know, how the market plays out for the rest of the day. All right, so that's the end for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this 1 hour, and it's gonna be unedited. Who the fuck? I'm not editing this, but I do want to have some music. I'm not even gonna watch this video. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I might edit. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I literally have to go to work. But yeah, take care.